जय महाकाल।
Hi. So the question of the day is, can you describe a few of your experiences connecting to Mahakali?
As I started moving ahead with my prayers, with my chanting of mantras, my sadhanas, so there were a lot of experiences that I started getting. My wife started getting a savari of Devi. Eventually, I was very tense, basically, because I was not knowing like what kind of savari that is, whether it is a negative or a positive. But that was happening when we both were visiting any temple. ऐसा लगता था कि it can't be negative, because if it is negative then it won't happen anything. I mean, savari cannot come in temple. It was some positive energy, but so the same thing happened, like there was Satyanarayan ka puja, and one of my brother just happened to come, and while Aarti, my wife, when we were doing Aarti, my wife got savari, and then they were also tense, like they wanted to know like what is it, whether it is a positive or negative energy. So then when my wife got savari, he questioned like the savari, the mother goddess, who are you, from where are you, what is the purpose. So he was asking too many questions, and then savari just vanished, and it just happened to get into my body. And then I just started saying like Mahakali. I'm Mahakali of Gad Pava. Again, the brother is asking like who Mahakali, which Mahakali. So I was again like I'm Mahakali. And then he was like while asking, he was getting little improper in his tone, very disrespectful. I don't know, but I lost my control, and then there were people who were sitting around. They realized like my eyes got very red, dead stare to him. My tone changed, and there were just two sentences that came out. Who are you to ask me? People were like, they were shocked. The brother had to apologize for the disrespectful behavior. So since then we realize it is Mahakali of Pavagadh that is with us every time. So this was one of the experience where we got to know about her. Then the next experience was during Navratri. We do Ghat Tap. Since first day onwards, there was some clash. My mom is Devi Bhagat, so she gets very hyper. Navratri aati hai to we like okay, she wants everything to be well organized, and everything has to be done very properly. The bhog, the dishes, etc. So during that time, I got little hyper, and there was some kind of hotted argument that happened between me and her. And this was like for another 2-3 days, which was happening, and I was a little upset because I had already started my fast on day one. On the 8th day of Navratri, when the Savai is coming, there was a lot of talk that was happening between me and Devi, because unki Savari aa chuki. There was no one at home, so I got an opportunity to literally ask anything and everything. And she was replying to me like in specification, in if I was asking anything, she was specifying the names also. While she's about to go, she tells me like I like to see you, your mother, and your wife happy. She literally, I could recall this statement. She said in Gujarati basically, "Tu તારી માં તારી wife મળીને રહ્યો એમાં જ મારી ખુશી છે." She was very soft because of Savari aati, she is basically like when she is with me, when she talks to me, she is very soft. Usually people say like she's Ugra Devi, but when she talks to me, she's very soft. So I was not able to hear. So I asked her like, Mine Sam. I mean, I couldn't hear you. She repeated again. Again, she was very soft. I couldn't hear. So then I again asked her, Mine Sam. Again, she repeated. And then third time when she said, I could literally hear what she said, and she disappeared. She is around us. She is with us every time. I mean, since 1 or 2, 3 days, there was some clashes that was happening with it. Now there was some kind of arguments that was happening. She knows that, you know, she's well aware. So this was some of the experience. There are many experience. I mean, if I have to talk about that, then I'm sure this video will go on for hours. This is some bad experience that I had when, you know, when she comes and she talks to me. Then during Navratri, so wife had extended the cycle by taking the medical pills because I was very stubborn that I want to fast, and घर की स्थापना हो चुकी थी, and you know it was like, no, I just want to do it. So I mean, she took some kind of pills to extend the cycle. Now what happened was, on the ninth day, you know, she stopped the pill, and the 10th day she got the cycle. On the ninth day night, in the morning, 4 o'clock, she gets a dream, and the mother goddess comes and tells her, I won't be there with you for another 3 days. And when my wife gets up from the dream, you know, she realized she has got the cycle. So this was a second experience where I felt she's there. She knows what is happening around me. She knows, you know, my wife has taken a pill. She knows, like, she's going to get a cycle, so she won't be there. She's specifying, like, okay, she won't be there for another 3 days. For me, it's like, I'm taking it as, you know, she's trying to convey, like, she's around me every time. So these are not too many, but just few of the experience that I have encountered with